Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Samsung's new mid-range device, Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Now, Galaxy Note 10 has been quite a successful device for Samsung, and I believe it's a good move to launch this Lite version. The Note 10 is still quite pricey, and being the lighter version, Samsung has definitely done some compromises, along with a decent, affordable price. In this video, I'll give you an insight of what you get with this device and what features are missing compared to the Galaxy Note 10. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. I will really appreciate that. Click on the link over here to see all my unboxing videos. This unboxing is time coded, so if you don't want to watch the entire video, you can choose your favorite topic with the time code shown on the screen. This device is priced $2,099 in UAE for 128GB and 8GB RAM option and 39,000 Indian currency for the 64GB 6GB RAM variant. Now, where to buy this device? I have given the links in the description below. I will also be doing a camera comparison of this device with iPhone 11 in my next video, so stay tuned. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Now, this particular device is Aura Glow Color. It also comes in Aura Red and Aura Black. This is 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM option, but it also comes in 64GB with 6GB of RAM option. So let's unbox the device. So this is all what you get out of the box. Now let's see one by one. It's good to see the standard rubberized case for the device protection out of the box. As expected, we have the USB Type-C cable, which is standard nowadays. You have the 25-watt fast charger, but the device does support 45-watt fast charging. So if you have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus and you have a 45-watt charger, you can charge it with that charger also. Now, being a light version, you don't get the AKG headset with this device. You get a standard Samsung headset. But good to see the old 3.5mm headphone cable. So the device does have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is an awesome thing. Being a Note device, it does have two extra tips inside the box. And not to forget the SIM ejector tool. Now let's see the device itself and unwrap it. Now this is an Aura Glow Color and it looks stunning. You can see rainbow of colors inside the screen. It is very similar to Note 10 Plus or Galaxy Note 10 Aura Glow Color. But yes, there is a difference in the material. This device is using glass-stick material. It's a mix of glass and plastic, as Samsung says that. Unlike the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, which uses the premium glass material. The device does resemble the looks of Galaxy A51. Recently, I have done the unboxing and review of that device. You can click over here to see that video. But being a mid-end device, I have to praise Samsung for giving a stunning design and a beautiful color option. This device also comes in an Aura Black and an Aura Red color. You can see a small Samsung branding at the back. Talking about the design, you do have the power button and the volume up and down button on the right side. There is nothing on the top except for this noise cancellation secondary microphone. On the left side also, there is nothing except for the SIM tray. So let's see whether this device supports dual SIM card or it's a hybrid SIM slot. So the device has a hybrid slot. You can use dual SIM card or you can use one SIM card with micro SD card, which can go up to 1 terabyte. So at the bottom you have the good old 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, main microphone and the speaker grill. And being a Note device, it does come with the S Pen. The Aura Glow Color comes with a blue S Pen, which is awesome. It's a nice contrast and looks awesome. Now let's see the device from the front. It's a beautiful device with a very minimum bezels and a small punch hole notch, or Samsung is calling it infinity hole notch. Now it's very similar to the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus punch hole notch or the infinity O notch. And looks like Samsung will keep this design element in the new Galaxy S20, which is launching this month. But yes, if you compare with the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, the Note 10 Lite does have small bezels. Still a beautiful design, but yes, there are small bezels compared to the Galaxy Note 10. Now you must be wondering what is the small notch. So this is for the edge screen, which you can remove it by going to the settings, and now you see it's more parallel, and overall I will say the design looks good. The beautiful device has a Super AMOLED screen, which is awesome. Samsung knows best how to make screens, so this is again a beautiful screen. This is not a 2K display or a 4K display. This is a 1080p plus or a full HD plus display. I think for this price point, definitely it's an awesome display. Also very small thing, but I think quite useful. The device comes with an inbuilt screen protector. So in terms of design, this is a beautiful device. Overall, I will say in terms of design, Samsung has done an amazing job. It's not like a Galaxy Note 10 Plus design, but it does not look or feel cheap in your hand. It does look premium, not as premium as the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, but still it holds its own place. Now let's talk about the display of this device. Now let's see a 4K video on display of this device. So the device is rocking a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Even though it's a Full HD Plus display with a 394 ppi, the display looks gorgeous and stunning. Colors, the contrast, Samsung knows best how to make beautiful displays. But yes, if you compare the same display with Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the Note 10 Plus will have slight edge. The device can also play HDR content, but I'm not sure whether it can play HDR10 content like the Galaxy Note 10. Now let's also check the sound quality of this device. Now let's increase the volume to the fullest. I think the sound output of this device is quite awesome. It's very loud, quite loud actually. But yes, it's not so bassy, it's not so clear, but yes, it's quite loud. Now let's talk about the weakest thing about this device is processor and performance. Now Galaxy Note 10 series is usually a performance powerhouse, but this device is lacking that. So this is using a 2-year-old processor of Galaxy S9, which is Exynos 9810 based on 10 nanometer. So this is one of the weakest link of this device. But I have to say, if you're a power user, this is not the device for you. So if you're talking about the performance, I would say there is no match between this device and the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. But yes, for day-to-day usage, you will not feel much. If you are not a power user, this can be a good device for you. So if you're using intensive tasks and doing a lot of multitasking, and if you're a gamer, I would say the performance on this device would not be up to the mark if you compare with Galaxy Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. So in terms of the security, Samsung is giving you both the option of in-screen fingerprint and also face unlock. So let's check one by one. First, check the fingerprint scanner. So as you can see, it's having trouble to find my fingerprint match. It's a bit slow, I think. If you compare with Galaxy Note 10, this is slightly slower than Galaxy Note 10. And even the Note 10 doesn't have a very fast fingerprint scanner like OnePlus 7 or OnePlus 7T. And also it is having a slight issue with the finger recognition. But in terms of fingerprint scanner speed, I think this is a bit slow. So let's try the face unlock option and see how fast it is. Quite fast. I think the face unlock is better than the in-screen fingerprint sensor. Now let's also check the software of this device. What software is running out of the box? So in terms of the software, it's running the One UI version 2, which is the latest version. Also it's running the Android 10 version, which is the latest Android version, which is good to see. So in terms of the storage, the device has 106 GB of available storage out of 128 GB. Now talking about the S Pen, Samsung has given the S Pen all the features which you get in the Galaxy Note 10 except for some of the air gestures like zooming in, zooming out. But apart from that, Samsung has included everything in this S Pen which you get in the Galaxy Note 10. Now this is a good thing because people who would like to buy this device would definitely like to use the S Pen. So if you are an S Pen user, I think this is the perfect device for you. Except for few air gestures like zoom in, zoom out and few others, you don't miss anything in this device. So you do have the Bluetooth connectivity in this device. Just press and hold to open the camera. Single press to take the picture. But you don't have some of the air gesture like scrolling on the left or the right or zooming in and zooming out. Double tap to switch between the front and the rear camera. And everything what you get in the Galaxy Note 10, creating the note, view all notes, smart select, screen write, live message, AR doodles, translate, pen up application. And just like the Galaxy Note 10, you can write on the off screen. Also, you can unlock from the S Pen. Now let's talk about something which we all have been waiting for, is the camera of this device. Now Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus has an awesome camera. It's a very good all-round camera. So just like the Galaxy Note 10, this device is also rocking a triple camera setup of 12 megapixel on the rear. So you have the main camera of 12 megapixel with f1.7 aperture. You do have an ultra wide camera of 12 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Also there is a telephoto lens of 12 megapixel which is f2.4 aperture. On the front of this device you have a selfie camera of 32 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. One of the best thing about this device, it can shoot 4K, 30 and also 60 frames per second from the rear camera. Even the Galaxy S10 Lite, which has been launched recently, cannot do that. So this is an awesome feature Samsung has included in this camera. Also from the front you can record 4K videos with 30 frames per second, and also there are a lot of fun features. You can create your own emoji. Now let's enjoy some pictures and videos taken from this device. The camera on this device is decent but not up to the mark as compared to the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, but still it's a decent camera. Now Galaxy Note 10 Lite has a super steady mode which is turned on. Now overall I will say this is a decent device, but if you compare with Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, you are missing few things. So the device has Gorilla Glass 5 protection compared to the Gorilla Glass 6 protection on Galaxy Note 10. It's missing some air commands. There is no IP rating on this device compared to the Galaxy Note 10. There is no wireless charging on this device compared to the Galaxy Note 10. The camera is decent but not as good as the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus camera. But I would really say that the inclusion of 4K 60 is a good option. In terms of the screen and design also, the Galaxy Note 10 has an edge. It has almost no bezels, and also the display is slightly better than Galaxy Note 10. There is no AKG headphones inside the box for this device compared to the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. Now let's talk about some pros of this device. I think inclusion of 4500 mAh of battery is awesome on this device, and I think the battery life of this device would be slightly better than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which really means a lot for a lot of people. The price is decent and I'm sure it's gonna go down with time. Even though the device has plastic material at the back, but still it looks pretty okay, pretty decent, doesn't look cheap in your hand. It does look like a premium smartphone. And the mighty S Pen, Samsung is giving all the options except for some air gesture, which is really awesome for this device. Out of the box you have Android 10 running on this device, and I'm sure Samsung will update with the future updates. But yes, one thing is there, if you compare the same device with Galaxy Note 9, which you can get for a very cheap price now compared to this device, that is a deal breaker. Now if you compare this device with Galaxy Note 9, I think Note 9 has an edge in a lot of departments, including the price. But yes, if you compare with Galaxy Note 10, definitely the price is good, and for this price I would say that I would recommend this device to anyone. I really hope that Samsung can reduce the price a little bit more in the future, so this price will target the right audience. Overall, I will still say that go for this device, you will not regret. To see more videos on this device, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. My next video will be of camera comparison between this device and iPhone 11. So guys, that's all for this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.